Hello, my name is Titel Yepes, and today I'll be talking about a drug that I picked called methamphetamine. So I'll be reading and explaining at the same time about methamphetamine. So I'll be reading what I wrote in my PowerPoint. Compared to other man-made drugs of abuse, methamphetamine is very old. Its chemical drug amphetamine was first produced in the late 1880s in Germany. About 30 years later, Japan started making more powerful chemically modified version of drug called methamphetamine. Rates of abuse peaking during the 1960s, the decision was made by the government to restrict and regulate methamphetamine, which made it illegal for most uses in 1971. Methamphetamine meth is neurotoxin that primarily affects dopamine pathways in the brain. Meth mimics dopamine, which is called the pleasure neurotransmitter in the brain. As a stimulate, meth increases activity in certain areas of the brain, and functions of the central nervous system are heightened as the result. For example, heart rate, body temperature, respiration, and blood pressure all rise under the influence of meth. Organs are structures made up of two or more tissues organized to carry out a particular functions, and group of organs with related functions make up the different organ systems. Meth binds to dopamine transporters, reversing their normal functions and flooding synapses with 10 to 15 minutes more dopamine than natural rewards like food or sex. Meth affects the nervous system by increasing heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and increased body temperature. Long-term use can cause permanent damage to neurons and changes in brain structure, leading to impaired cognition, memory, and motor skills. Methamphetamine is a human-made stimulant, which is made illegally in the laboratories. Usually